Okay. Hey guys, and welcome to the Guerilla Gardening channel. I mean the Hero Expedition Europe, where I try to do something heroic, something that I'm proud of each and every day. And today we have a special, really tiny task, is to do some guerrilla gardening. And there's this new trend, or I don't know if it's a new one, but to build gardens purely out of stone and to offer nothing for insects and bees. We think that a garden should really offer something for bees and insects, so we decided to just offer or plant just a little friendly reminder in the form of a seed bomb that there should be something for bees and insects to save the planet, to save our food supply. Yeah, and just, well, that's a personal opinion, but have a nicer garden. This is exactly what I'm talking about. I hope the seeds will flourish, and this challenge was a request by my mom, and she really doesn't like this kind of stone gardens. She has a beautiful natural garden where everything can grow as it likes to grow and where wild herbs come out of every corner, and she collects wild herbs for smoothies and for pesto and whatever. And I think that's a really good approach. We can't force people to change the style of their garden and what they perceive as beautiful, but we can educate them that we all have to do something against urbanization and the loss of opportunities for insects. So think about it for your garden, for your balcony, whatever, or maybe do some guerrilla gardening.